What's going on today, fam? So we are at the ring, and I wish I could show you more, but unfortunately the ring has this policy where like you can't record unless you have like a special media pass. Obviously I'm nowhere near big enough YouTuber to be paying for a media pass for however much that costs. So we just gonna be a recording on the low in the car. I'll be showing you laps and things like that, but we won't get like the walk around and all that other stuff, but it's all good, no biggie. But if you see, we got a M3 over here. We got my buddy Chris and his M2. He's like mounting this camera right now. He's gonna be giving me some instructional laps because I haven't been here in so long. It's basically like I've never been here at all, and I definitely need some pointers and things like that. So the parts of laps you see are not gonna be the cleanest. I understand, do not at me, I get it. But yeah, man, so we're gonna go do our first 2 laps. I'm gonna follow Chris. I'm gonna try to follow his line just to get a vibe for the track and stuff, and just to warm up the cars. So it's gonna be a good time. But yeah, I'll see y'all on track. So first 2 laps were cool. It was really dope being able to follow Chris and just like follow his line. You know, the laps felt a lot smoother and a lot better. Track's closed at the moment. Somebody got into a pretty bad crash, so they had to close it. So now we're just waiting. Back where we started, and we're just chilling. But there's a lot of cool cars around here, man. Definitely a lot of cool cars. But we're just waiting though. But yeah, man. Chris gonna ride with me next, and then we'll do some more laps. So just waiting for the track to open up back up.
A little bit of time with the family before, because I gotta get up in the morning and I'm gonna be gone. So.
Okay. I just put it there. Oh man, I guess we won't see what the Subaru does.
Just don't wreck the car.
I think that was a turbo? That wasn't a turbo.
I don't know. Go for it.
All right, y'all. Oh, look, we get that out the way. All right, y'all. We are all done for the day. This weekend I ended up doing 13 laps. Nothing too crazy. Found a couple weaknesses in the car. One, oil temp. I was getting to 280 degrees Fahrenheit by my first lap, so that is not going to do. Another thing, I need to go with a more aggressive pad compound in the front. Currently running the XP10 from Carbotech, but I'm gonna upgrade to the XP12 in the front and the XP10 in the rear. So I'm gonna try that setup next. So I need to put in an order for those. Install the oil cooler. I have the coilovers, so hopefully I'll be able to get those on here soon. But yeah, man, the car, other than that, performed pretty well. My exhaust is having it's like rubbing somewhere during hard acceleration, but our new engine mounts may fix that issue. So I'm gonna do the engine mounts and see if that helps it. So yeah, but man, it was a good day, very solid day. Had a really good time, man. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe. Got a lot more ring content coming. I bought a season pass. For those of you that don't know, a season pass means I can do as many laps as I want to within the 2020 season. So you know I'm about to be here a lot, but take it easy, I'm out.